Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our special segment on a unique Filipino words. Before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you a Filipino? If so, how familiar are you with some uncommonly used Filipino words? Today, we are going to explore Filipino words that you may not have heard before. So let's dive into it. Our first Filipino word is tuyug. Tuyug is a Filipino word that means eclipse in English. Eclipse is related in astronomy, a complete or partial cover of a celestial body by another. An eclipse only occurs when three celestial objects becomes aligned. Eclipse only happen approximately once every 18 months on average. Example being used in Filipino sentence. Ang duyog ay isang nakabigbighani na pangyayari sa ating mundo. Our second word is solatronico. Solatronico. Solatronico is a Filipino word that means email in English. And solatronetico or email is a message that is distributed by electronic device from one computer user to another more recipients that uses network to send. Example being used in Filipino sentence. Nagpapadala ng solatroniko ang PARS University sa akin para ipadala ang mga kulang na dokumento na dapat ipasa. And our last word is kagaw. Kagaw is a Filipino word that means germs in English. Germs is a microorganism that is likely to develop a disease. From a tiny worm, it can grow into larger things. Example being used in Filipino as a sentence. Dapat laging hinugasan ang ating mga kamay para mawala ang mga kagaw na nakadikit dito at makaiwas sa mga sakit na dulot nito. So, these are just a few examples of a unique Filipino words. Stay tuned as we uncover more words in our explorations of uncommonly used Filipino vocabulary. Thank you for today.